Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the ZINUS Shalini Upholstered Diamond Stitch Platform Bed. I hadn't seen too many reviews in it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick that I actually found a pretty good deal on this bed. I'll put a link in the description below to that, so you can check that out if you're interested in getting one for yourself. So I was looking for a platform bed for a new memory foam mattress that I had recently picked up, and I noticed a lot of people were really recommending these ZINUS platform beds, that they were very good quality for the money. And that's exactly how I would describe this bed, as excellent quality for the money. Surprisingly good quality, in fact. I used other beds. I had a brass iron bed a long time ago, which was very expensive. I had IKEA beds in the past, which were good, but still more expensive than this one, and that's why I didn't really have very high hopes for this. I kind of thought, it's pretty cheap, it's probably not going to be very good, but completely the opposite. I was really blown away. It's very, very good quality for the money. It looks nice and modern too. Taste is always like that. It's kind of a subjective thing, but it does have very nice upholstered fabric on it. The headboard is padded. It feels very solid, very stable. Another thing I like about this thing too is it doesn't squeak, which is, I've had other beds in the past that have squeaky frames, very annoying. This one, they put these special kind of it's not like, it's like a Teflon material, I guess you could say, in between where the boards touch anything metal, so it prevents all squeaking, which is really nice. Like I said, the finish on it's really good. You can use this with any kind of bed too. It doesn't have to be a memory foam mattress. You can use it with a box spring and a normal mattress if you want. Very easy to assemble too. It comes in a big-ish, not very big, surprisingly. I was surprised it was not in a very big box. And it comes with this tool they call the ratchet. It's kind of a nice tool. It's the whole thing assembles with this one tool. You don't need anything else. It's kind of a nice little thing. Their packaging is pretty nice. It reminds me of like an Apple product or something like that, I guess you could say. But yeah, build quality on this thing's great. It was very easy to assemble. Yeah, no complaints at all. And that's why I'm really surprised that it was the price that it was, just because usually you don't find things that are cheaper and better, so it's always nice when you do. But anyway, yeah, highly recommended. 2 thumbs up for me. If you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.